A 30-year-old man passed away after getting hit by a Black Mahindra Thar vehicle. His name is Adil Sarkar. Incident happened on Wednesday night on the way to airport at Bamutia block. The locals organized a roadblock at Tevaria area on Thursday, demanding to arrest the person driving Black Mahindra Thar. On Wednesday night, a person named Adil Sarkar, aged 30 years old from Bamotiya area, was talking to his friends walking beside the road. At that time, a Mahindra Thar black color hit Adil Sarkar. He was first taken to ILS hospital after this incident, later referred him to the GB hospital. However, Adil Sarkar passed away on Thursday early morning. The local people from his village were frustrated after hearing the news of his death. The locals organized a roadblock at Tevaria area on Thursday, demanding to arrest the person driving Black Mahindra Thar. The airport police and ex-MLA Krishna Dhandas rushed to the roadblock after getting the information.
রাস্তা অবরোধ করতে তো আর কোনি মঙ্গলবার লাগে না যে কোনো দিন বাড়া যায়
In the end, the roadblock was taken away after they were given assurance to arrest the Mahindra Thar vehicle driver as soon as possible. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.